These long clippings are from the brand new V-Ride, the 61. All right, so we just stepped out of the Russos. We just bought our new employee. We gave him his signing bonus, so now he's gonna have to show his worth. Today's his first day, and we're excited for you guys to see him. We're about to pick up our new employee. We're excited. We're gonna bust him out, see how everything goes, and he's gonna. You guys want to meet him? He's coming out right now. Here he comes. Alrighty, so our new employee is a Scag 60, what is it, 60 inch? I think it's 61 inch. Yeah, it's a 61 inch deck, 37 horsepower EFI, and it is fuel injected. It's a V-Ride. We're heading to our first lawn to premiere this our new employee. All right, so behind me, you guys may notice the house. It's the house from the spring cleanup from beginning to end video that we did, and we're gonna bust out the 61 inch on this house. So let's set up. Well, we left one of our employees working as we went to go pick up the machine. So the lines you see right now, it was a one pass with the 48 inch, and we're gonna try it out. We're gonna try out the 61 without the new blades, without the Foxgreens patented blades that we put on our machines. So right now, today, this video is gonna be pretty much the 61 inch V-Ride. It's gonna be without our Foxgreens patented blades, and we're gonna do a comparison video that with the next video that we're putting up today. It's just going to be about the new V-Ride, and then we're going to do a before and after once we change the blades in the deck and we modify our machine, and you guys will be able to see, even with a brand new V-Ride, the difference that the blades make on the property and the performance of the machine. So we're excited for you guys to see that, and let's get to the rest of the video. Here's a size comparison between a 48 and a 61 inch deck right here. See, even with a brand new machine, the clippings are really long. You know, the grass doesn't get shredded as we would like. So next video, we're gonna show the difference between the brand new machine with our Foxgreen pen and blades. Just to give a little bit of a comparison, so this is these cuts right here, these lines right here that you see, this is from the 61 inch that we just came from Russo's, that we just purchased with everything standard, whatever it came with. You know, we're not liking how it's coming out because the blades that it came with, it doesn't mulch it the same way that we're accustomed to. I mean, it does a great job. I mean, for what its purpose is, of course. You know, we're not trying to knock any of the machines or anything. You know, we're very, very thankful for the equipment. However, with that being said, you know, just the way we've designed the blades, it really makes a difference. So here you can start seeing, this is the 48 inch, how it cuts with the blades, with our Foxgreen pen and blades, of course. And you can really see what a difference. The lines are cleaner, they're smoother. You know, they don't look blurry, you know, because the thing a lot of people kind of take on the wayside in a way, they don't see that when you're throwing tons and tons of grass on top of, even if the lines are super straight, once you start covering them with clippings on top, the lines get blurry. All right, and you're gonna see again, look, watch. All right, this is where the, all right, see, this is where the 48 stops on this line, and this is where the 61 inch starts. You're gonna start seeing the lines are starting to get blurry. All right, and what our blades do, they shred up the grass, and the clippings are pretty much just, they're disintegrated. They're tossed to the side. They're blown out. Whatever you want to phrase it, they're gone. And like we said, even with a brand new machine, he's not ready. It's training day for the 61 inch, but tomorrow the machine will be ready, guys. So stay tuned for that. You can see the difference between how our blades cut and how the brand new V-Ride cuts. Okay, look at these clippings. These long clippings are from the brand new V-Ride, the 61. And if you come over here, look how small the shredded grass is. Alrighty guys, thank you for staying tuned to the end of the video. The 61 inch had a great first day and we're really excited to add it to our Foxgreen family over here. And guys, we want to use this video as a reference point in order to show what happens with the performance of the machine on no tampering, just straight out of the store. And our following videos are going to show what happens once we add our Foxgreen modification to the machine. And we're going to do a comparison of the performance difference and the results difference that you get once we put our Foxgreens modification on there on the machine. And even that it's a brand new machine, there's going to be a difference. And the best way you guys can support our channel, please, if you haven't already, if you can subscribe, leave a like for the video and share it with friends and family. and we're excited to show everyone our future videos, the comparison with our Foxgreen mod kit, and we'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye.